a very pious moment. And it's my pleasure to welcome you all to be a part of this special evening and carry home the proud moments of your ward. Now, let me welcome our special guest of the day, Shri Sirivennela Sita Ramasastri Garu, whose profound scholarship in Telugu and his unparalleled imagination and expression in his widely accepted Telugu lyrics for the famous Telugu songs has raised him to the unconquerable place among the modern Telugu literary figures. Sir, Sarathi welcomes you with open arms, sir. On behalf of all the people of Sarathi, I extend a hearty warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you for accepting our invitation. I was fortunate enough once to share the dais with Sri Sita Ramasastri Garu during the felicitation of Sri S.P. Balasubramanian Garu at Ravindra Bharati. Amidst the enthusiastic dignitaries, I found him busy with pen and paper, giving life to his ideas. He was totally engrossed in his world of imagination, a total stranger to this material world, until he was called to speak. ఆ రోజు నాకేమనిపించిందంటే సార్, నేను మహాకవి కాళిదాసు రాయటాన్ని చూడలేదు, షేక్స్పియర్ని చూడలేదు, కానీ సీతారామశాస్త్రి గారిని చూశాను. One more thing I wanted to mention, sir. Long back, when I was bit stressed, not stressed, low-spirited, I happened to listen to your influential song, Eppudu Oppukovaddura Otami. My words failed to express how your lofty thoughts raised my spirits to its usual mode and made me proceed optimistically with my goals. Thank you so much, sir. And those lines, Dehamundi Pranamundi, Nitturundi Sattuundi, Intakanna Sainyamunduna, those words as effective as the Geetopadesham of Lord Krishna, making Arjuna duty-minded. Thank you so much, sir, for that influential song. Let me extend a hearty warm welcome to all the dear parents and the other guests and the press to this culturally rich environment. Yesterday, being the first day of this fest, our primary children gave us many delightful moments with their performance. And today, our senior classes confidently take their turn. I would like to remind you all that this is just a display of their innate talents. As I mentioned yesterday, let us not seek perfection in their performance. Just enjoy the display and their efforts in the best possible way. Let us not forget the fact that the senior classes with their heavier academic demands had to find time for their preparations and rehearsals. So dear parents, when you see your ward on the stage, be happy that he or she has been transformed into a confidential individual, and this confidence will carry him or her in the future course of life. Wherever they go, whichever profession they choose, this self-confidence is going to take them a long way through their life. So, let me welcome each and everyone once again. నీ రాక శుభంబు మాకు నిజము మహాత్మా అన్నట్టుగా సార్, Sarathi is blessed to have you here, sir. Each and every Sarathian is fortunate to imbibe the power and influence of your gracious presence, sir. Thank you so much. Enjoy the program and have a great evening. Thank you.